program goes, right? But how the decision making is important. A very simple example. Let's say there is a person Ajay. Ajay age is, let's say, is less than 18. So I am creating an algorithm to check whether the age is less than 18. If it is less than 18, then I will be saying not eligible.
So the class is about decision making in data analytics. Uh, it's called also if or else conceptual overview.
Eligible to vote. Eligible to vote. And if I say the age is more than 18 or is equals to 18, then I will say yeah, eligible to vote. So decision making is important in any logic building, right? If this
It says if the concept is you are a minor, like under the age of 18, you can vote. Being adult after 18 is passed, you can vote. So decision making is that depends in various processes. A rule, a guideline drawn by government authorities or any private person, person to person privately. It can be also a decision making process.
then this else, do something else. Let's say you wanted to check whether you are from, let's say Delhi. If you are from Delhi, you want to do something. If you are from UP, then you have to do something. You are from Karnataka, you want to do something. So decision making is important part of any application, whether it is Python program.
So, in definition, we will be writing decision making in Python. In Python, um, allows your program allows your program to choose different paths, to choose different paths like of execution, paths of execution, execution, and based on conditions, based on conditions, based on conditions. Okay, and this is done using conditional statement. This is done using conditional statement, using conditional statements. If statement execute अगर हमें if statement होगा the state upon Koji executes a block of code if the condition is true. Executes a block of block of executes a block of code if the condition is true. Code if the condition is true. Is true. Then ଆମେ ଏଠି ଆଉ କିଛି ଦେଖିବା ଯେ like if condition code block example ଏମିତି ତମେ ନେଇପାରିବ like python ର okay if condition step code block ठीक ଅଛି block if condition code block okay and step code block hashtag code block okay let's go to the next chapter. Sorry, next step. Have to zoom out.
Programming JavaScript, Java, C, C++. So this condition making is very important and is in almost every programming language, because without decision making, the programming language and creating the logic in the programming language is incomplete. The decision making in Python allows your program to choose different parts of execution based on the condition. If this, do that. Else, do this. This is done using conditional statements. So in Python we have if statement, right? We have else statements, we have elif statements, right? So let's basically see this, like what is if else if conditions, right? So I will be quickly doing what? We will be creating one sample .py file. Inside this I will be doing what? Let's say I will take an int, right? Simply I will do what? Let's take an int. Let's take we have an age which is x17, right? Now if I do if age is less than 18, I will print what? I will print you are not eligible. Right? And else, what I will do? Print you are eligible to vote. Right? So if I do like this, I will be running this quickly. So how can we run this? You already know how to run a Python program. Very simply, I will be doing Python 3 and I can write the name of the file. Right? So now we are not eligible. Why? Because age is a 20 when your condition is in false condition, right? In the this condition, or you can do like this also, right? So you will do you are eligible and you are not eligible to. You are also
Like in DOS format ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବେ ଏଜ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 17 କୁହାଯାଉଛି ସେଟା if age equal to under 10 lesser than 18 17 ହେଲେ lesser than or equal to 18 ଏମିତି ବି ହେଇପାରିବ ଯଦି ତ ଏଇଟା 1 for not ଏଇଟା 2 step 3 stepରେ ଆଗରୁ ଟିକେ 3 stepରେ print you are eligible ଏମିତି ଆପଣ ଲେଖିବେ print you are eligible you are
ଅକ୍ଷିଟା ବାବୁନି
eligible 4 stepରେ ଲେଖିବେ not eligible to vote you are not
ଏ ଘରୁ ଗଲା ଯେମିତି ବିଛଣା ଲାଗି ଯାଇଥାଏ
eligible to vote. अच्छा प्रिंट लिखिए ना सॉरी एक प्रिंट लिखा है ओके तो ये हीं तो स्टेप हो जी
Basically, you can do like this also. So in this case, what will happen? If I give 20, so what will be the output? You are eligible. And if you give 16, in that case, so what will be the output? You are not eligible to vote. So this is how you would be doing it. And you can basically do very simple into the age. Right. If I do like this, you will say you are not eligible to vote 6. So I hope you have understood about the if-else condition, right? Now let's say I wanted to check the age also, and I wanted to check the state also. So what I will do, let's say I have a state as issue, and if I put in the condition, what? Let's say state, if let's say state is equals to let's say Delhi, right? So you wanted to do some task, and let's say I am from Delhi. Let's say you wanted to check whether the state is equal to UP. So you can say what? I am from UP, right? And now I wanted to check UK Uttarakhand, right? So what you will print? I am from right? And finally, if let's say the state is not anything else, like it is anything else, not in Delhi, UP and UK, then what you will say? I am from different state. So I hope you can understand this, right? So if whatever your state is, let's say you have the state, based on your value or a data, what you are getting, UP. Let's say you are from Orissa, or let's say MP. So we do not have any condition for MP. So what will happen? It will go inside the else condition. And from a different. And if you are from Delhi, let's say. So what will be the condition? Yeah, I am from Delhi. So I hope you can see we have if condition, check this, or check the second condition if it is true, or check the another condition if it is true. Or if none of the conditions are true, if all the ones are false, then it will go inside the else condition. So I hope you can see the decision making and how that is basically used. Right? You can basically do that age wala point with the help of user input as well. Let's say you can take a age and you can do like this. Age basically do, then it will go inside. Let's say you are from Orissa, or let's say MP. So we do not have any condition for MP. So what will happen? It will go inside the else condition. And from a different. And if you are from Delhi, let's say. So what will be the condition? Yeah. Or let's say. So what will be the condition? Yeah, I'm from Delhi. So I hope you can see if you are from Delhi, let's say. What? Let's say state, if let's say state in Delhi, UP and UK, then what you will say? Delhi. So what will be the condition? Yeah, I'm from Delhi. So I hope you can see we have if condition check.
ଓକେ ଯଦି ସେ କହୁଛି ଏଠି ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଜାଗାରେ ଡସ୍ ଫର୍ମାଟ୍ରେ ନେବା ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ହେଉଛି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଲାଇକ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ହେଉଛି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ସୋ ଆପଣ ଏଠି କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବେ ନା ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ତ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଲେଖିବାର ଅଛି ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଦ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ସୁଡ୍ ବି ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ I am from Delhi. I am from Delhi. ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ହେଲା ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ୟୁପି ସୋ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ I am from ୟୁପି ତ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡରେ ବି ସେଇ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା